It's 7 o'clock in the morning and I got to finish my last IKEA shelf behind me. Because there is one company next door to the warehouse, and every time when I assemble the shelf, it causes a lot of noise. I do not want to bother my neighbors, so I got to finish the job before they start the work. You know, I don't want to bother the neighbors. There is one saying in my country, if you want to do business in a different place, in the place where you don't know, and it's totally new place, then you got to try to fit in. Try to fit in the community, you know, try to be a part of it. Try to respect other people. If you can handle the relationship with other people well, then you're more likely to be successful. I bought this shelf from IKEA for about 99 bucks. To start, it will be easier for a foreigner like me to outsource the furniture from IKEA, because they got their website, they showed everything on the website. I can use my credit card in Taiwan to order stuff from IKEA. Actually, it took me 2 days to finish assembling all these furniture. And a dealer of mine just wrote me an email and asked why you don't pay IKEA to do all this assembly work for you. I answered, okay, well, yeah. It will be good to easier. Yeah, it definitely can make life easier if we pay IKEA to do all this assembly work. But you know, I'm the guy come from CarolBrass factory. I'm quite enjoying this manual work. Of course, another reason is I want to save the budget. Well, just got a very exciting news from CarolBrass factory. There are about 60 pieces of CarolBrass instruments are on the way to this warehouse. My next task will be clean this warehouse. I want all the CarolBrass instruments to be stocked in a clean environment because you deserve.